All right, hey guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Gold's Gym workout gloves. All right, well, I've had these gloves for many years now, at least 5 years. Has to be at least 5 years. And they are really good. I mean, they have protected my hands for a very long time. I've worked out all my life, and I always have needed workout gym gloves. It really amazes me that actually these have not torn or ripped or got worn yet. I mean, they're not worn out, and I've been using them for forever. On the palms, they have a synthetic microfiber that on the palms part for better grip, you know. It's really, I mean, you can see like right here, it's like thicker, you know. So you can, it's kind of like, you see these lines in here, it's kind of like the actual bends in your hand, in the wrinkles in your hand, so you can bend, you know, along with the glove, like the glove becomes part of your hand, you know. Yeah, and it makes it so you don't feel the bar, and that is really a good thing, because I went for years not working out with gloves when I was really young, and I had calluses like crazy. And I mean, they were like real bad. I mean, it was like black knots on my hands. I decided to start using gym gloves, and I've never gone back. Yeah, it has the classic finger design for comfort and support. Yeah, and this little finger part to, you know, cushion more, you know, give you that extra little piece of protection. Yeah, I like these a lot. One time I used these gloves, but one time I tried, after using these for a long time, I tried a different pair that a friend of mine had, and I didn't appreciate how comfortable and relaxed and, you know, soft these made my hands feel while I was working out with barbells and stuff, until I tried a few other pairs from my friends from a while ago. I mean, yeah, and it was like night and day. It really was. I was like, oh my God, these gloves are so bad. I mean, mine are so much better than these. It felt very different. And I was really appreciative that I had the gloves that I had. Gold's Gym had made a really good pair. I was lucky to actually stumble upon these. I randomly just grabbed them at the store because I really just thought every pair was the same. But no, I learned a lesson and I got lucky. These really do the job. No real downside other than they have a tendency to make your hands smell a little if you worked out hard, because, you know, if you have sweaty palms or something, I mean, it's like a leather in here. So it's to be expected that your hands may get a little sweaty and a little cheesy if you use them too much, you know, but hey, that's kind of expected when you're working out, right? So these Gold Gym gloves, I mean, anybody, I'm pretty sure, will have a positive experience using these. Yeah. I have only seen them in black. I would like to get a pair that, like, say, gray or white if I can, because I'm just not preference, but I really like a white color. And also it would show me how, much damage is actually happening on the glove, because you can't really see here if it's really, black covers up everything. If this was white, you could tell, oh, there's cracks, or oh, it's dirty, or it's getting worn or anything. But from what I can see, it's not, So I would like to get a white pair just to verify. But they're very comfortable. Yeah, I like them a lot. And I think I'm not sure what size I have here. It may be this size fits all. I don't know. I'm not sure. The grip's really handy with the Velcro here. I mean, it fits really nice against your wrist. It's not uncomfortable. Abrasive, the material is soft. Yeah, I like it a lot. Okay, guys. Well, that's Gold's Gym's workout gloves. And I hope you use this information. Get a pair, all right? I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.